Yo, what's up, guys? Acoustic Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, guys. Thank you for staying tuned to this channel. Okay. For today, I'm coming up with a new series of lessons, some advanced jazz licks you can apply in your playing. Okay, and that will energize you and also enhance your playing. Before I go straight to the video, if this is the first time you're watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload an interesting video like this. Okay, guys, I know many of you have been asking me for some advanced licks. Okay, advanced lick for jazz progressions. But for today, I'm going to show you the 3 licks you can apply in your playing that will sound nice. Okay, then and how to apply it. I'm going to do the video on how to apply them in your playing. So I'd like you to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out anything I'm going to show you. Alright, guys, so let's go straight to it. Alright, so I will be doing this lesson in the key of D, and this is the key of D on the 3rd string. Okay, we have it on the 2nd string here. Okay. If you know that you don't know your major scale in all the fretboard, then I would advise you go on the lesson. Okay, take it on the lesson on how to know your major scale on all your fretboard, so you can understand the fretboard, because these are one of the things that are going to help you to understand what I'm going to show you now. Okay. Okay, so that is the 6th chord, and going to the 3rd chord, going to the 2nd chord. Okay, 6th chord, which is the La, Mi, Re, Mi. So what am I playing there is now this I'm starting from the Sol, La, Ti, Do. Okay, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Mi, Sol. Okay, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Mi, Sol, Do, Ti, Do, La. Now going to the La chord. Okay, now she get okay. So that is the number 1 lick. So the number 2 licks I'm going to show you there is you play something like a kind of a minor pentatonic there. Adding the 7th, the flat 7th, which is the Do, because this is the Do, Ti, Do. Okay, on the 3rd string, Do, Ti, Do. Okay, Do, Ti, Do, Sol, Fa, Fi. Okay, sorry, Sol, Fi, Fa. Okay, Do, Ti, Do, Sol, Fi, Fa. Mo, Do. A kind of a blues pentatonic. Okay, Re, Ma, Fi, Sol, Do, Do. A kind of a blues scale. Okay. Going to the 3rd chord now. Okay, so the second lick that I'm going to show you that. Okay, so what I'm playing there is very simple. Okay, what I'm playing there is from the 1 to the 7th, 1 to the 7th, the flat 7, the 1, the 7, the flat 7. Okay, So, Fi, Fa. Then I now hammer on the Fa and Fi, going to the Mo and Do now. Okay. Okay, I hammer from the 4th note to the 5th note. To the flat 5th, or the flat 5th, or the sharp 4. Okay, from now going to the flat 8th. Okay, and the one and the one note which is the key of D. Okay. Then I play again. Come back to the fifth note which is the Va. Va, Do. Okay. Okay, so the techniques there I'm going to show you. That one is, when you're playing that one, is going to the Mi. Okay. The technique there I'm going to show you is okay. Okay. Mi, re, ti, re, mi. Mi, re, ti, re, mi. Mi, re, ti, re, mi. Okay. I'm playing the third note, going to the second note, going to the seventh note. Okay, going to the second note again, and the third note. Okay, on this shape. Okay. That's why I said you need to understand your major scale on the fretboard. Okay, so that you can understand what I'm showing you here. Okay, you need to understand your scale on the fretboard. So either Mi, Re, Do, La. Okay, Do, La, Re, La. Re, Do, La, Re, La. 9th fret. Yes, the 9th fret, 13th fret, the 9th fret, 9th fret on the 3rd string, okay, on the 4th string, 9th fret. Okay, so those are the vital, okay, some other licks I've just discovered, okay, and there are so many other licks there you can apply over your jazz progressions, okay. Okay, so by the next video, I'm going to do a video on how to apply them over the progressions. Okay, show you how you can apply them, where to come in. Okay, so you can understand how the licks works. Okay, so if you don't understand, if you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section. Okay, I will give you the answer whenever you don't understand. Okay, so if you like this video, smash the like button. Okay, if you even subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an interesting video like this when next I upload a new video. Okay guys, alright, see you in the next video.